Hi, this is David, and this is part two of discussing the normal system entry coming at a no zone. You see we had no zone right here, and we're now out of no zone, so we're waiting for a normal system entry. It's a higher probability trade. This is, again, we have our standard normal system entries as well as our normal system entries, which I'll call NSEs, coming out of no zone, and those are higher probabilities. We are getting close to a trade, and we'll want to enter this trade if we get it around 33.50 limit short. And on our last trade, we had 4 ticks. We were looking for 6 because it was a higher probability trade, and of course I had discussed that I have NinjaTrader set to move my stop loss to entry after price action prints 4 ticks of profit to start bringing down that risk. And then it bounced right back down and we got stopped out. So let's see if we can get a normal system entry and see if we can catch a nice 6-tick winner. I'm going to limit 33.50. I'm already filled, and we're just going to look for 6 ticks, and it's going to be the same thing. If we have 4 ticks worth of profit, it's going to take my stop loss down to entry. If it keeps going down, hopefully we'll grab a 6-tick winner. So we'll let this trade cook a little bit and see what it wants to do. Again, these trades, the normal system entries coming out of no zone, have a higher probability percentage of winner, but no trading system, no trading strategy can ever guarantee any winners. We do take losing trades even on higher probability trades. Okay. Another trade I want to talk about is the EET. That's an early entry technique that gets you into the trade before it actually happens. This is a good trade as well. It's one of my favorites. I want to point a couple things out here because first I want to talk about the CET. The CET would get me into this trade earlier. I could have actually been in this trade around 11:35.50 and ride it down when you get the NSE, either jump out with the profit, which would have been an easy 2 points, right? 33.50 was our fill, or I could actually stay in longer and try to run this EET down for even more profits. That was a great EET, and that's actually one of my favorite trades. EETs are more aggressive, but taking it out of no zone, we've already got about 3 points of profit. If it touches down here to 50, there's 3 points off the EET. Now this EET to the long side, my rules tell us to avoid it because the strength of this NSE is, again, it's a higher probability trade, so we're expecting this trade to move down, so we would not take a long EET. So you got to see an NSE coming out of no zone. First trade broke even. Second trade, we made our profit. We saw an EET that could have got us in the trade earlier, which would have had an easy 3+ points, well, 4 points at this point, and also a long EET that we would have avoided. Now this is important because in my rules I teach you when to avoid certain trades. It's very important to understand that. So Pro Indicator version 2, as I mentioned in the first video, knows a lot of my rules, but it doesn't know them all. It doesn't know how to filter out the trades we're going to avoid. So this is actually an avoiding trade, and this is why. Because again, the NSE is a high probability winner, and so therefore we would avoid a long EET. It would be totally disregarded with my tick trader day trading system. We'd have just taken a short and let it go from there. So that's the NSE coming out of no zone. I want to thank you for watching this very short video series, and you got to see live action on a live trading account of us trading that one method. So thanks for watching.